Alright, so I just got home from work and my E36 is literally nowhere to be found. I drove past my street and I said, hey, there's supposed to be a car here, and there's no car here. So I'm quite curious as to where it is. If you look, this is where my car was parked, and now it's not here. So, am I getting pranked or did someone steal it? I think it might have gotten stolen. That is honestly so crazy. I've never had a car get stolen before, man. I'm like shooken up about this. Where the hell is it? I don't know if it got towed. I don't know why it would get towed because I don't have, it's not illegal or anything, as to my knowledge. So, yeah, I'm gonna go talk to the police. I'm gonna go call the police right now and make a police report, talk to some neighbors, maybe anyone got it on camera, and I'll update you guys back with what I find.
More than a pet, you're my best friend, too cool to forget. Come back, cause we are family, and forgive me for making you wanna roam. And now my heart is beating like the saddest metronome.
So I just spoke to the police, and after that, they transferred me over to the Department of Transportation, people who handle all of the stolen vehicles, and he told me it was impounded. So I looked it up. Lo and behold, impounded. He told me that the reason why it got impounded was because my registration was expired by 7 months. The lion does not concern himself with paying for registration. On a serious note though, I had no idea that my registration was even expired. Usually you get those in the mail, so I didn't get it. I have too many cars to keep track of. So it looks like what I need to do is go to the DMV to get it registered, and then I need to go to the Department of Transportation and get a release form. Then I have to go to the tow yard, pay a bunch of money, and then I get the car. In theory, it should be pretty simple. Unfortunately, it's a bit late. It's about 7-ish p.m., so it's gonna have to wait till tomorrow. And yeah, I'll update you guys with that whole process tomorrow. Alright, well, we're leaving work early because my registration has to be paid in person. Can't do it online, and I had to jump through a lot of hoops, so I gotta leave because there's not enough time in the day. I get off of work when everything is, closed, so I had to just take an early day and get all it done. It is what it is, but hopefully everything in the DMV goes smooth, because you know how that could be. So I walk into the DMV. This is a AAA DMV. I walk in, literally got a table, or I met with someone within like 2 seconds. She got me my new registration, my new tag, and then she asked me, how are you gonna be paying? I said, credit card. She said, okay. She handed me this and she said, you're good to go. And I walked out, so I didn't pay anything. I don't know if she forgot to charge me, or if I just didn't have to pay anything regardless, but I thought I was gonna have to pay a lot of money in registration. So that is step 1 complete. Now I have to go to the government office to get a release form, which is not fun. She said something about the car needing a smog check. I don't know about that. I don't know how I can get it smog checked if it's in the impound. So, anyways, it is what it is. So, I'm off to the government office. Hopefully that goes smooth. I don't think it will. And hopefully we can get the car out today. Park far away across the street, but we ball. Hopefully this next building is our final location. Alright, so we got it registered, we got the form. Now all we gotta do is head over to the tow yard and collect the car. I'm not gonna lie, guys, I've had to wait no lines today. I literally waited at the DMV for 2 minutes, and then I just waited another 2 minutes here at the Department of Transportation office. Lucky day for me. The transportation lady said that I got a ticket as well for not having registration. Then the DMV lady said that I paid it in December. She's like, I don't know what happened, and then I didn't have to pay my registration. I don't know what's going on, guys. California. Fix your shit, okay? Daddy's getting mad. Anyways, now off to get the car. it is. There it is. Oh my god, it's real. Holy shit. We're so back, guys. Oh my god, I really didn't think I'd see this car again. I really thought it was stolen. Turns out, not stolen, just towed. But alright, this straight pipe car needs some gas. So it's gonna be a fun little drive home. 30 minutes. I don't know why the tow yard is this far away from home, but got all my shit in the back. Look, we got all my stuff, so I think we're all good.
How could you be so heartless? Medals round my neck because I won. Now my mama said, cause I won.